just gotta get this box moved. Who told me to order all these shipping boxes? Huh? But I bet you when y'all order, I'm gonna be ready to ship them orders. What's up, my YouTube? How y'all been? How y'all doing? And I already know y'all great, cause what? If y'all hit that button, then y'all already know what time it is. For all my new fans, what's up, y'all? Go ahead and hit that subscribe, and y'all might as well go like and comment if y'all really messing with a girl. But yeah, this is my second time trying to do this video because I don't know. I will try to use my cell phone first. Yeah, but whatever. He ain't got no storage, so I just use my laptop. I don't know. I was trying to get like a better view because I be feeling like certain phones be giving me certain vibes. And we in my office today, and yeah, it be dark in here. So yeah, that's what this video is gonna be about. Cause I forgot to tell y'all. The video is gonna be about cleaning and organizing my office. So these are the kind of vibes we got right now. Y'all see my roses I got for Mother's Day. Flowers for Mother's Day from Jeremiah and Melvin. They are so cute. They dying, but not died. So I'm gonna try to shake them back. Cause I got that plant food in there. They got glitter. They could have left the glitter out, but I guess that's how they came. So yeah, that's the part I'm not a fan of. But yeah, I had started showing them my label printer, right? Because I'm getting my MacBook. Eventually, I'm getting my MacBook. Gotta get my chos in order or whatever so I can go and check out my MacBook. But it's like gonna be like $3 once I check out. So I'm getting that because, you know, my label printer ain't compatible with this laptop, my new laptop. This is my old laptop. So yeah, I'm gonna see. My sister had bought my charger for me when I was in Michigan, whatever. So anyway, it's another subject, but yeah, I'm finna charge this and see if it'll be compatible with my label printer. Cause if this one compatible with the label printer, then boom, I can save my money and I don't gotta hurry up and get no MacBook. I can wait it out, you know. Cause baby, if we ain't got to spend, we ain't got to spend. I mean, period. So yeah, but anyway, like I was telling you guys, this we're gonna do a mini inventory haul because I got a couple items that I ain't show y'all that I had got or whatever. But yeah, y'all see that vibes? Y'all know the vibes. So yeah. We got that liquid pigment, and I don't want to show y'all all the colors because I ain't got time for that, but but there we go. I guess, because I mean, yeah, so yeah, it's, how many in here? I don't know, but whatever. Where did I get this from? I got this off of Walmart.com. Yes, Walmart.com. So, yeah. Then I got this on Mother's Day when I was at Dollar Tree just trying to find some stuff, and I had got this or whatever, and it say "Be My Own Boss Fun." It should have had an S because I mean I plan on putting a lot of coins and green in here, so it should have been funds. Cause I ain't just putting no dollar, no quarter, baby. So yeah, I'm trying to fill this up. Me and Mel got a bucket in the closet. A little water, y'all know them empty water container things. Like you supposed to order refills or whatever. We got one of them in the closet and it got a lot of money in it. Like green money, silver money. It got some dollars and some quarters and stuff. So I'm gonna do mine like this. I'm gonna get like him. He said he don't want to put money in there. I put money in there too, right? Okay, I do. I'm for real. But anyway, I'm gonna put some money in here for sure. Whatever. So yeah, y'all will see. I'm gonna update y'all when we get about when I can't put no more in here no more. I'm gonna update y'all. I'm like, new inventory. No, but for real though, yeah, we're gonna say so. So anyway, yeah, this is the this is the connector to the label maker, whatever. So it goes from label maker to the computer. Y'all pray it work for the old computer. This is the USB-C to USB, whatever, USB adapter for Mac. So that's how I know it for sure work for Mac. So then plus they emailed me and told me what it worked for, who it worked for. This, no, I can't even get, where is it? Oh, okay. This is the card reader, 2.0 certified high speed USB. It say you could put it on, dang, it said I could use that for my video camera. It said got a camera on there, a PC, a mobile, plug and play, easy to use, USB, high speed transmission. So that go on there, I guess, make it go fast. They sent me a couple of label paper or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna order some more or whatever. Let's see, I done shipped over 100 orders, but I still feel like it's gonna grow. I mean, I know it's gonna grow. So that's why I feel like it's gonna grow, because I know it's gonna grow. Because I got so much more stuff that I plan on bringing to my site and stuff. And I mean, I just do deals, great deals, so everybody can afford it. And it also come with this little cord that's to the back of the label maker and to the wall. That I don't know why I'm taking stuff out, and I gotta already figure out how I'm finna organize this. Like, my mom's supposed to be giving me a bookshelf. Well, it's like a DVD shelf or whatever, you know, the old DVD shelves that we used to buy. Well, she was like, you want this DVD shelf? Because she moving it back to our hometown, Michigan, or whatever. So I'm like, yeah, I want it, because I could turn it into something else. I ain't gonna turn it into no DVD shelf, because I barely got DVDs, but I got a couple of them or whatever that I be buying when I go to Walmart, and I be wanting to keep, or just keep it for when I want to watch that movie without having to wait till it come on cable or YouTube, or y'all know, because y'all know it's just barely be on cable. But yeah, I don't even pay for cable no more, y'all. Y'all should check out the Soul Player app. That's what I got, Wi-Fi and Soul Player, and you get cable. And it's monthly or whatever. So like, if you miss a payment or you can't pay it that month, you just pay it when you can. They cut it right back on. My mama put me up on that. It's Soul Player. Go check into it. I'm telling y'all, you'll never pay a cable bill again in your life. It's free cable. BT, VH1, MTV, Sports, HBO, Stars. I'm talking about everything. Yes. And then they got every new movie that come out or whatever, it eventually go to that app, Soul Player. So it's the TV side, and then it's the movie side. And on the TV side, you literally could press guide and pull up all the channels that we watch on regular cable from one on down. So yeah, y'all go check out Soul Player. They should pay me for that, because baby, my tea almost gone. Yeah, but this is my label maker, and I'm finna just go ahead and hook it up, set it up, cause sis, that's gonna push me to hurry up and check out. If my old laptop don't work, it's gonna push me to hurry up and go ahead and hit that check out on my MacBook. Oh, I ain't even sure. I just took it out and was like, but yeah, this is the label printer, y'all. So, yes, it's pretty. That's how you open it. So boom, and it go like that. Roller. Look pretty simple. The on and off is on the back. So yeah, but back to what I was saying. Money make the world go round. Hey, hey. Oh, yeah. Okay. And oh, did I tell y'all? I think I did tell y'all my lip gloss on sale for $2. But just in case I forgot, don't forget to go on Etsy.com/Saver. This is orange sherbet. And baby, it's everything. Period. Everything. Like I just had this. This is my other gloss, but I'm giving these away for free. Yeah, these for free. So I'll just give them away with every order I get. I'm gonna just put this purse to the side. This purse been sitting up there since since we went out. Since me and Melvin went out. Been sitting on my desk ever since. Okay, y'all. So I really don't know where to start, but I'm trying not to make the video long, but I don't know where to start, and I wanted y'all to watch the video. I mean, I wanted to do the organize my office and at least show y'all around my office video, and I don't know where to start, like literally. So I guess. Again, y'all be whooping 3 with this, and he tried to get it. I'm like, wait, I knew I heard him over here. He came and got it off the floor. He don't know he making it pointier, so it's gonna hurt his ass more. Remember my fabric? I barely be using it, but I'm keeping this because I can take product pictures with this. Remember I said I got that from Walmart. But I mean, I really could put that up in my storage. So that's what I was saying. Hey, can we play some music? Cause I can block them out so they won't hear my music. I can put them up. So, I don't know where the net came from. I'm killing. I hate flies, nets, all that. So I guess I'll turn y'all. I probably need to get up because I ain't gonna be able to do nothing in this chair, y'all. But y'all knew that already, though.
Sis, to get it out.
Okay. You want to stir it up in it first, though. Anyway, anytime you like it.
Stir it up first.
Yeah, I'm trying to set y'all where y'all can see me. Where y'all can see me. See me. Baby. Yeah, that ain't gonna work. Cause I'm gonna prop y'all up so y'all can see me, so I can go ahead and get down to business. Cause if I keep sitting down, I ain't gonna do nothing. Oh, okay. Yeah. So just call me Can't Get Right, because I think y'all can see me now. Yeah, so we're going to be seeing half. Well, y'all can see me. Don't forget to go subscribe. Go ahead and hit that subscribe. Nah. Alright, y'all, what we gonna do? Okay, so I'm gonna move my printer over here. Area where my printer be. I really got y'all. Did I show y'all these? Yeah. It came with 50 syringes. Of course, they ain't got 50 in there no more because I've been using them, but baby, I'm ready. 60 milliliters. Yep. So, yeah, y'all make sure y'all shop with me wholesale. Yeah. Please. Thank you. Because I'm ready. I got everything on hand, ready to ship. Let's do this. Let's do this. I'm real live. Real live. Oh, my box is in there. I keep all my paper for other shipping. Other shipping. All these boxes in this corner. This is really what's in my way. But I need them to ship out my orders. But this is really, it's in my way. And I don't want to put it in my closet, because then that's going to make my closet look tacky. So, no, I actually got a corner. I'm finna put that in my closet, y'all, because I got a corner in my closet that could go in. Yep, I'm gonna be back. Y'all see that now? Y'all finna not see that. Give me 1 minute. Okay, y'all, so I'm done. I done cleaned up my office. Funny, because I didn't know where to start, and I wound up finishing. Didn't know where to start, wound up finishing. So, I'm gonna give y'all a little slight tour. Okay, I got my roses that I got for Mother's Day from Jeremiah and Bay. And then I put my little plant over here in that corner. And that's my little light. Cause yeah, I don't know what it be doing. But yeah, I don't think it be helping my light sometimes. I feel like my LED light is everything. I don't know, but anyway, so yeah, I figured out that little corner, what to do with that corner. So I got that set up. That is nice. The only thing I left my label printer in my room because I was using it. And yeah, I got the little gloss, some of the gloss, well, a lot of the gloss that I done made so far. So yeah, remember, they on sale for $2. So go shop. I got my oils, some of my well, not my oils, my flavoring in here, and I got my flavoring in the bottom right there. So I'll show y'all, but yeah, I'm gonna get some more containers or whatever. I got my storage down there in that little container until I go buy me some beans. And I'm made that corner right there and just put all my big box items. I put my gloss under there, my oils. I put all my printer paper and my logo paper and stuff right there. Some of the more excuse me, some more glosses that I made. So don't forget to go shop Etsy.com Slay Saver. My favorite is Barbie Bratz, and it's $2 right now. Y'all see that glitter? It is pretty. Yeah, Barbie Bratz. So then I just got my label printer and my printer right there. And I'm gonna keep right there, and eventually I'm gonna start writing on that. So yeah, them the vibes we getting today. And okay, I like this. I mean, it feel way more cleaner over here. It's more organized, and yeah, I like this. I like how y'all can see my rose right there. I got rose. I mean, flowers on the damn thing, but y'all can see my, my little plant, whatever. So yeah, y'all see where I had my setup, my LED light. Cause I got the one where you can move it around. Well, I mean the big one you can move around, but I can't afford that one yet. So we're gonna use that one, and it got the little phone connector on there too. But I showed that on one of my videos, so yeah, y'all can watch one of my videos and y'all will see that. But that's my little, I call it my little portable LED light, because I got my chair I connected to and the light, and it works out great. So hey, but yeah, y'all, I really love it. Everything is set up nice. So okay, but anyway, I ain't finna do nothing, y'all. What time it is? 5:05. So yeah, Melvin about to clock out, or probably already clocked out. So 3 trying to bust in the door. So yeah. But if y'all following me and y'all watching my videos to the end, thank y'all for supporting. Thank y'all so much. I appreciate it. Please go follow me on Instagram and TikTok, Slay Saver. And I'll be posting I'll be posting like all my new products. I will be posting all the new products I get that come in on there, and like when I be doing my yay or nay, like when I be asking my audience what they like, do they like what I'm offering, or should I offer this, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, if you gonna comment and talk back to me, then go ahead and follow me on Instagram too, so y'all can be seeing everything that I launch or all my new inventory when they come in or whatever, because I be going live. So yeah, and I'm fixed to make some gloss up. So yeah, I'm not gonna do a video next. I already got a video, so go check it out, please, and thank you. And y'all have a good Thursday, because it is Thursday. It's taking me the weekend. So yeah, bye y'all. Don't forget to go like, comment, and subscribe.